Good morning, or yeah, I guess it'd be near morning. Good morning, y'all. I am Austin Daigle from the River Valley Weather Team. We're tracking some severe thunderstorms out there right now. This is moving into, get back onto my screen right here. It's moving into Sequoia County, northern Haskell County. These storms are producing some very strong winds up near. So radar showing up near 70 miles per hour. It's moving into Gore right now. It's going to be into the extreme western Sequoia County. If you live in Vian, McKee, Salisaw, do be aware you got some very strong winds about to move through that area within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Some very heavy rain as well. I'm not seeing any way of spin-ups right now. Looks like there's some out there near in Delaware County, but none in Sequoia County right now. There's a little bit of hail out there near Paradise Hill, near Lake Tenkiller. But some very heavy rain, very strong winds too. That's going to be the main threat as it's moving through the Salisaw area in the next 15 minutes or so. Some very strong gusts as well. These storms are back here, are going to be moving into the River Valley soon. Fort Smith, we're going to be watching this. This line is starting to develop. And the radar is lagging. That's all right. But this is what this line looks like right now as it's developing. It's moving this way. Some strong winds along the leaning edge of this line. You're out there near just to the west of McAllister. Some very strong winds on those storms. Those are going to be pushing towards our area. We're going to be keeping an eye on this as it starts to make its southeast movement. Or southeast motion soon, but we will be keeping an eye on this for y'all. Looks like we need a tornado warning out there, new severe thunderstorm warning. So this line is starting to develop into its main form, but we'll keep you updated throughout the night on what these storms will do. I'm especially watching this one as it's moving towards Fort Smith area. It's kind of moving in a eastward but northeast motion, so it may clip. It's going to go through Cedarville. It's going to go through Sequoia and Crawford counties, but I'm watching where the main area of concern is the wind, and I'm watching it's about to go through Salisaw. It's going through Gore right now, so if you live in Gore, it's up near 60 mile per hour wind gusts going through there. It's going to be going through Marble City, Viance, so it's trucking down. And this storm's moving. It's moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. So this storm's trucking through 40 right now. Some very strong gusts out there near 70 miles an hour. Just back on our radar. So if we loop it, that's what our radar loop looks like right now. Storms are developing, and this is mainly the strongest part of the storm. Got some very strong winds out there. We got some reports near 80 miles per hour. We got some large limbs down. Power outages. So this storm is doing a little bit of some damage, so we do need to keep an eye on that. Do send in if you have any storm reports, please send those in so we can post that to our Facebook wall.